The Dcorn 1200X digital microscope offers a remarkable magnification range from 10 to 1,200 times, allowing users to explore intricate details of coins, leaves, and electronic components. With its 7-inch high-definition LCD display, the Dcorn microscope provides a larger, clearer, and more intuitive viewing experience than smaller screens, making it ideal for precise tasks like soldering. Equipped with 10 LED fill lights, including 2 adjustable side lights, this microscope ensures optimal illumination, enabling observation of the finest details in various lighting conditions. Not only does the Dcorn microscope magnify objects, but it also captures high-quality images and videos, perfect for documenting discoveries, with support for memory cards up to 64 gigabytes. The device is designed for versatility with adjustable height and angle features, and its sturdy metal base minimizes shaking, ensuring stable observations. This digital microscope can connect to both Windows and Mac systems, offering the flexibility to view larger images and videos on a computer screen, enhancing the overall user experience.